Hi everybody, today I want to show you this new camera that I just got. It's the aosu security camera. It's solar powered, it comes with a panel and everything, and then you can just watch it on your app. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. It comes with everything that you need. It comes with the camera, the solar panel that you just attach to it. I was charging it so that I get enough sun so that I can make the video. It comes with the base for the camera, the base for the solar panel, and the charging cord. So it will take only about an hour and a half to 2 hours to charge, but it'll give you about 6 months of usage, again depending on how much motion you get. I'm gonna set it up right here on the fence in my backyard, just to keep an eye on what's going on. If anybody jumps over the backyard, keep an eye on the dogs and everything else that is going on. So I'm going to be installing it right here, and I'm going to show you again how easy it is. So it comes with the stickers for the base and both bases actually, so you can just put them in place, and that way you know exactly where to make the holes. Again, for wood I'm not too concerned, but if you were going to drill on concrete, then this will be perfectly fine for that. So once you have it set up, all you have to do is put the camera in. That's it. And then I'm going to connect the power to the camera. As you can see, it has a lot of cord so that you can put the camera in one place and the solar panel somewhere else. And all you have to do is set it up on your app, and just like with everything else, it's controlled by the app. You can tilt it up and down. You can talk from the camera to the person and listen to what they're saying, call the dogs, whatever you want. But it's pretty good. It's connected to the Wi-Fi of my house. And alright, so I'm going to open the app right now, and it's loading up. And there it is. You can put it sideways as like this, and you can see the whole screen. Then also you can turn on the light. Right now during daylight you can't tell, but look at that. And I know there was an echo because the camera is picking up me talking and sending it to my cell phone, so you can speak through the camera to whoever is in front of the camera, and you can hear what they're saying. So I have it set up so that it's tracking. You can track the animals or a person, and it also will send you an alert to your cell phone if there is movement. You can choose how much of a movement you want to be alerted. It will also, you can set it up so that it gives an alert by itself, and some kind of warning through the camera if you're not watching it. I hope that you guys like it and find it as useful and as safe as I am.